Log in into your account. If you want to uninstall Pluto TV because you want to reinstall it or because it's taking too much space, then watch this tutorial to learn how to uninstall Pluto TV on Windows 11 and Windows 10 in a quick and easy way. First, open the Start menu. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Installed Apps section. Locate Pluto TV. Click on the three dots to open the Pluto TV options. Click on Advanced Options. Locate the Uninstall option. This will uninstall Pluto TV and its settings. Your documents will not be affected. First, press Uninstall. The Pluto TV app and its related data will be uninstalled. If you want to reinstall the app, first open the Microsoft Store. Search for Pluto TV. Click on Pluto TV. Press Get. Wait for Pluto TV to be downloaded and installed. Now open Pluto TV. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.